My name is Indradeep Ghosh. I am Executive Director of Dwara Research. We are a non-profit research foundation headquartered in Chennai, India, and our goal is to ensure that every household and every enterprise has access to a suitable range of financial products and services and social protection through a range of channels that allows them to use these services securely and confidently. I'm delighted to welcome all of you to our next conference, which will be hosted on the dates of June 7th to 11th of 2021. This year, the theme of the conference is Household Finance Research. Household finance is one of the 4 themes of research that we engage in at DRF. And this conference will be funded by Omidyar Network as a principal funder, and we have several other associate funders as well, such as TransUnion, CIBIL and Dwara KGFS. Our knowledge partners for this conference is the Robert Bosch Center for Data Science at IIT Madras. Household finance is a growing area of research, not just in India but around the world. In this new and emergent field of research, researchers are asking questions about how households do finance, and in particularly in developing countries like India, the focus is on understanding how low-income households do finance in both rural India and urban India. So researchers in this area seek to understand how low-income households save, borrow, spend, earn, default, etc., and to help policymakers and regulators craft policy and regulations to serve low-income households and to improve their financial well-being. Household finance is a growing area of research in India, and the objective of this conference will be to basically support this growing area of research and to give it a significant boost in India as well as internationally. We have funded, starting in June of last year, 10 research teams that are conducting research in the area of household finance. 5 of these teams are working with secondary data sources and applying advanced data analytics tools and techniques to answer questions of importance to the household finance research area. And 5 of them are doing primary research and actually collecting data and evidence on low-income households across the length and breadth of India. We are very proud to host this conference this June, and we are hoping to bring together at this conference academics, practitioners, policymakers, regulators, a very wide variety of participants so that the field of household finance research can benefit from the work of these 10 research teams, and so that policymakers, regulators and practitioners can also begin to have a conversation about the kinds of insights that these research teams are going to be producing and featuring at the conference. I should also mention that the best papers in this conference will be published in the Journal of Emerging Markets Finance, which is a journal published out of IFMR Kriya University, Graduate School of Business. So I welcome all of you to the conference, and I hope to see you in June.
Hello, I'm Samir Shah. I'm the Executive Vice Chair and Group President of Dwara Trust. Just to give you a sense for Dwara, Dwara name comes from the Sanskrit word Dwarata, which indicates access. And for us, this means access to financial services. The mission of Dwara is to provide complete access to financial services to every individual and every enterprise in the country. And this has been a mission that we've been on for the last 12 years, since 2008. We do that through essentially 2 types of activities. One is through research and policy advocacy, very high quality research and policy advocacy. And second is through commercial interventions, where we incubate new initiatives to offer financial services for the underserved and the underbanked parts of society. At Dwara, we've been very focused on 3 types of activities. One is in high quality origination activities. The second is in risk transmission, to make sure that the originators are able to transmit their risk through the financial system. And the final piece of the puzzle is in robust aggregation, risk aggregation. So we've been championing this 3-legged three-pronged financial system in order to have a very stable financial system to achieve financial inclusion in the country. Dwara Research Foundation has been working relentlessly over the last 12 years towards pursuit of high quality research and policy advocacy, working very closely with both practitioners as well as regulators. We are very excited to bring together the fifth research conference from Dwara Research Foundation, and this time the topic is household finance. We are very excited to bring this together. The template and the model for this conference is slightly different from what we've done in the past. What we've done is curated some very exciting researchers in the country who are passionate about household finance, and we've given them a platform to present their research, their insights to all the stakeholders of ours. So this conference is planned over 5 days, and we are looking at a fairly deep reflection of the household, the low-income household in the country, and how they meet their financial goals, and how do they sort of marry their financial goals with their life objectives. I'm very sure that the presentations and the research papers that we presented at this conference will help both practitioners as well as policymakers in thinking through the kind of products and the kind of experiences and the kind of channels that are required to truly satisfy the financial needs of low-income households. We're looking forward to your participation, and we're looking forward to enriching conversations at the 5th Dwara Research Conference, which is focused on household finance. Thank you.